Hello, my Loop crew. So that's what I'm gonna call you guys. Those of you following me, welcome. I just wanted to share an intro because this video is a little on the chaotic side. It's all over the place. It is a mixture of birthday weekend from going to Universal Studios and then going to Hollywood Studios. And I did my first pin drop, but you can see that on TikTok. So go over there and check that video out. Also, this video is a little bit on the longer side. If you don't watch through, that's fine. I was trying to shorten it, but then I decided, you know what the heck? It's my little like adventure diary videos that I want to do. So I hope you guys enjoy the little bit of chaos between my boyfriend and I just going to the parks and just having a good time. I hope you guys enjoy.
Still band. Interview. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Well, okay. Wait for them.
Always eating. Why are you always eating?
Many flavors. I gotta get them all in. One of the best drinks in the park, Mount Schwarzwälder's apple drink at the Moe's Tavern.
Yeah. Tastes like a Jolly Ranger.
This green apple, that's all you need.
Okay, so I learned about these wristbands that are being handed out for people for their birthdays and celebrating and stuff like that. So I have a collection so far. I've got 4, and one of the girls in Simpsons area, she went to see if she could hunt for any more. Victoria, she's amazing. It's even better because that's my middle name. But she came back and gave us 2 express passes. She's the best. I love it. You know, that's how you make someone's birthday even better. It looks like you're about to take a shower. You're annoying. That is not what I need on clip. So we just did the Men in Black little tour behind the scenes. Like you get to go downstairs where all the aliens, the 2 aliens are.
Room.
The innovation room. Sorry.
Immigration room.
The alien immigration room.
Yes,
I'm moving too much. It was pretty cool. You can ask upon request. It could be available, it could not be. It depends on availability. And they did like a nice big group and you got to take pictures. You can't record downstairs, but I will be inserting pictures of what I got. Anyways. God, that feels really nice. No? Why?
Oh, okay.
You done?
Yeah, no, we're good.
Are you done?
Yeah.
This is the boyfriend, by the way. He's going on YouTube now.
Well, I'm sorry, what?
You're going on YouTube now.
Yeah, I mean, I'm surprised I'm not there already.
No, not yet. Not with the recent videos that I've made.
I am a DILF. Damn, I love food.
Okay. We're done here. It's the end of the night. We got my frozen butterbeer with some extra foam. I've got some goodies, which I need to open some blind boxes. But yeah, it's good birthday weekend. So far it's not over. I've got tomorrow, which is actually my birthday, which is Monday the 20th. And then I have Tuesday, which I'm gonna do my first ever Disney pin drop Tuesday, and all depending how the day goes, the boyfriend and I will be going to Hollywood Studios. If not, we're gonna hit up Disney Springs for pin drop Tuesday, and then go to Universal and do IOA since we did Universal side today. I'll see you guys tomorrow, or maybe not tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm gonna be with family. It's me and Mom's birthday tomorrow. And yeah, got some birthday goodies. And I've got 3 of these. They were $3 for $32, $34. And with Le Boyfriend's discount, they came out to like 20 something dollars. And then I got 2 of the Minion ones. And I think I'm going to start with the Minion ones first because there's 2 of them. And I don't have any of these. These are the options. So we're going to see what we got. Okay. Yes, I got a Minion. That's what I wanted. Ah, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. There's a card. And that is Knight Henry. Cool. Okay, next one. Satisfied. Okay. Another Minion. Yes! Another Minion! I'm so happy.
Yeah, the 2 best ones out of that box.
Yes. The only one I'm missing out of the Minions is James. So I got Wizard Ed. Here's the card. Wizard Ed. Ah. Okay. Now there's 3 of these. And I already have Chance. Let's see what we got. All right. This one's heavy. This is Scarecrow. Now where's the thing? There you go. Scarecrow. Yes, it's Scarecrow. Woo! I'm making a mess. I'll clean up. All right, next one. This one's a little lighter. So I am hoping for a new one. Okay. Ooh, I got Jack. Don't let go. Oh wait, that's wrong, Jack. Next one. Last one. Okay. Bride. I want the bride. It's the bride. That's the bride. It's the bride. It's the bride. Oh god, another scarecrow. Wait. Oh, never mind. Yeah, it's another scarecrow. If anyone has these, I like to get the bride. Okay, bye. Darn.
Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. Are you and your friends?
You see? And some of you do understand. Have you enough?
Right there, Mr. Floaty Face. Why don't I get VIP access, huh? Hello! She is no... Oh no.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is my outro. Please like, subscribe, comment what you enjoyed about the video. Let me know if there's anything in specific that you'd like me to like capture in the future when I go to the parks and markets and anything in that general area. This is gonna be my form of diary of my outings and adventures. So I hope you guys enjoy. Bye, my Loop crew.